There's something strange about this handle. It moves, even when no one's here. Last night, I heard it whisper. I thought it said, "Come in." But the door was already open.
You came in. You just never left.
Okay, funny. You talk now. What are you? Haunted IKEA?
You touch everyone, but they never touch you back.
Hey, open up. I need to go.
You already did.
Come on, I was just joking.
I was joking too.